Welcome to Getting Started with NativeScript, Section 2, Setting Up Your Environment. First, we're going to install an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Basically, that means a text editor for programming. Regular document editors like Microsoft Word and Google Documents will not work for programming. As well, you want something that will help you with your programming, such as giving you hints or checking for errors. There are a few good choices for an IDE, such as Visual Studio Code, WebStorm, and Sublime Text, to name a few. For this particular lesson, we're going to use Visual Studio Code. I find this IDE to be one of the most full-featured, functional, and fast, as well as easy to set up and understand out of all the ones I've tried. Some features of VS Code are IntelliSense, which helps you with code completion and other quick information, a command palette, which is a built-in terminal, and Git integration is a great help when working with teams or seeing your changes over time, and also debugging support for NativeScript applications. First, we will install on Windows. To install VS Code, open your browser and search for VS Code or go to code.visualstudio.com. There should be a big green button here to download VS Code for your particular operating system. Click on it to download the program. Once it is complete, go through the install process. The program will open once it is finished installing. Now on to macOS. Again, open your browser and search for VS Code or go to code.visualstudio.com. There will be a big green button here to download VS Code for your platform. Click on it and your download should begin. Once it is complete, navigate to the Downloads folder, then drag Visual Studio Code to your Applications folder and run it. With the program installed, we can install a few plugins to help us with NativeScript. First, click on the Extensions button here, and then search for NativeScript. The two we want are NativeScript and NativeScript Vue Snippets. NativeScript adds support for the base NativeScript framework, and the Vue snippets will help you create applications for NativeScript Vue. We will click Install on each of these, and they will install quite quickly, and once complete, we can close the application and move on to the next step.